Welcome back to Trashkid FX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Harmony One, whose current price stands at the $0.02774 mark, and here on TradingView the market is down by 6.47%. And in this video I want to give the key scenarios that I expect to play out, basing my analysis on the Elliot waves and the Fibonacci's, and also the key areas of support and resistances, and also show you the key chart patterns that you have on information on this chart. So if you're interested in such content, make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. Here on the Harmony One chart, we are seeing a bit of a sell-off after seeing a very nice recovery to the upside here on the charts. And I'll kickstart my analysis here on the daily chart by showing you the key chart patterns that you have here on the daily chart. Here on the daily chart, you can see we had been trading within this descending channel, and we managed to break out of that channel to the upside. We continued pushing to the upside, managed to break above a key area of resistance. We also managed to break above a key area of resistance at around the $0.029 mark. And here on the daily chart, as we were trying to have a retest of that key area of resistance, you can see we have lost that key area of resistance. Here on the 4-hour chart, you can also see after making our low down here at around the $0.016 mark, the market has been pushing to the upside. We made a series of highs, which was an indication that the buyers were taking over the market, but at some point they lost it to the sellers, who took us back to around the $0.18 mark. And after seeing that low at around the $0.18 mark, we started to push even higher, and in that movement we had been trading within this ascending channel. We managed to break out of that channel to the upside, managed to break above a key area of resistance, and continued pushing higher, made another high up here. And that movement to the upside, I can term it as an Elliot wave structure. Having this as the first wave to the upside, then we saw a nice retracement to the lower side in the formation of a wave 2. Then we have continued pushing even higher in the formation of a wave 3, and after the completion of the formation of a wave 3, I expect to see lower prices in the formation of a wave 4, then push even higher in the formation of a wave 5. And once we see the formation of a wave 5, then we can name that fractal wave as a higher Elliot wave count 1. If I get a little bit into the details of those waves, after making the high for that first wave, we saw a very nice retracement to the lower side in the formation of a wave 2, and using the Fibonacci's by connecting the low for that first wave to the high of the first wave, that gives me a target area for that second wave between the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.382. You can see that second wave retraced into that target area. We overshooted the fib level 0.382. Then we saw a very nice bounce to the upside in the formation of a wave 3. And using a trend-based Fibonacci, we can get a target area for that third wave to the upside. And to do that, I'll just connect the low for that first wave to the high of the first wave, then drag the fibs to the low of the wave 2. That gives me a target area at around the $0.03653 mark. That is at around the fib level 1.618, and that target area I can mark it out here on the charts using a red target area. So that is the minimum that I expect us to continue pushing higher in that wave 3, so that we can say it's complete. Then expect a retracement to the lower side in the formation of a wave 4. And because a wave 4 is an impulsive move to the upside, we also expect to see fractal waves in formation within a wave 3, and I have that movement here on the charts. Having this as the first wave within that wave 3, then we saw a very nice retracement to the lower side in the formation of a wave 2. Then we have continued pushing even higher in the formation of a wave 3. Then what is in formation down here is what is forming a wave 4. Then I expect the formation of a wave 5 to complete that third wave, and that wave 5 should get us into that red target area here on the charts. And I can change the color of that fractal wave within a wave 3 to a different one so that you can see that better. And if I get a little bit into the details of this wave 4 down here, so that I can get the key scenarios that I expect to play out here on the charts. Formation of a wave 4. Wave 4 here on the Elliot waves is a retracement of the wave 3, and using the Fibonacci's, I can get a target area for that fourth wave. And to do that, I'll just connect the low for that third wave to the high of the third wave using the Fibonacci's. That gives me a target area for fourth wave between the fib level 0.6 618 and the fib level 0.5. So I expect to see a retracement into that target area, and we can have our target area extend to the fib level 0.382. So that is the minimum that I expect that retracement in the formation of a wave 2 to do. So I expect lower prices maximize our red target area down here before we see a very nice bounce to the upside in the formation of a wave 5, which will complete the formation of a wave 3. Then expect another retracement in the formation of a wave 4, that is a higher Elliot wave count 4. Then push even higher in the formation of a wave 5 to complete a higher Elliot wave count 1. And that gives me the key scenarios that I expect to play out here on the Harmony 1 chart. From what you can see here, we have come down into our target area down here within this red target area, and we are just about to maximize our red target area, and that could take us to around the $0.026 mark. And in case we maximize that target area, then I would expect a very nice bounce to the upside, manage to break above that key area of resistance at around the $0.029 mark. Also expect to see a retest, and once the retest is a success, we can continue pushing higher into this red target area at around the $0.036 mark. And once we maximize our red target area, then we can push to the lower side in the formation of a wave 4, then continue pushing high in the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 5. So those are the key scenarios that I expect to play out. I expect lower prices maximize our target area, then we can see a very nice pump to the upside. And in case that doesn't play out, then we can find a reversal within the prices that we are trading within. And in case that happens, then I would expect to see the price of Harmony 1 break above the key area of resistance at around the $0.29 mark, and then continue pushing even higher in that structure that I have here on the charts. Also taking a look at the indicators, here on the RSI we are trading at around the 40 mark, and that means any movement to the lower side here on the RSI will be supported, and any movement also to the upside here on the RSI will still be supported. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. Also taking a look at the MACD, on the MACD we had printed a bearish crossover here, so let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep you updated.